Well, friends, Donald Trump is going to trial in one federal criminal case, and yet it seems like he has a whole different federal criminal case on his mind. Let's talk about that, because justice matters. Hey all, Glenn Kirshner here. So friends, as Tuesday's court date approaches in Donald Trump's documents, obstruction of justice, espionage case, a recent Trump post actually reveals that Donald has insurrection charges on his mind. But let's start with Donald Trump's documents trial, because in a federal court in Florida on Tuesday, Judge Aileen Canon will be tested. Now, I can't say it's the first test to see if Judge Canon can preside fairly and impartially over a case involving the very president who appointed her to the bench. I can't say it's her first test because she already failed her first test. That's according to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. That appeals court told us that Judge Aileen Canon failed her first test when she abused her discretion in favor of Donald Trump. So friends, I guess we can call this the second test for Judge Canon, or maybe the test to see if Judge Canon is on the road to redemption, to see whether she can appropriately set a trial date that satisfies the rights of both the defendant and we the people to a speedy trial, to an expeditious trial, to a trial without undue delay. Because remember, Donald Trump, through his attorneys, told Judge Canon, set no trial date, none. And Special Counsel Jack Smith repeatedly has urged Judge Canon to set a December 2023 trial date. So let's see, come Tuesday, how Judge Canon fares this time around as she continues to preside over the Trump trials. Now, friends, here's all I want to say about it at this point as we await Tuesday's court hearing. Donald Trump may stand federally indicted for his documents, obstruction of justice, and espionage crimes, but it sure seems like Donald Trump has insurrection on his mind. Why do I say he has insurrection on his mind? Well, let's look at something Donald Trump just posted. Whatever happened to the Biden documents case? 20 times more documents than I have, and I'm allowed under the Presidential Records Act. He's not. What about the classified documents he had in Chinatown and on his garage floor in Delaware? Is he being charged under the Insurrection Act? What about Penn Carter, which receives China money, or the 1,850 boxes that he is not wanting to release? Was Obama, Clinton, Bush, or others so charged? No, only Trump, because I am illegally being targeted. Wait. The Insurrection Act? Donald, isn't your complaint that you had documents and you're being charged under the Espionage Act, and President Biden had documents, so therefore you contend he should be charged under the Espionage Act? But you say Insurrection Act. You know, friends, talk about the mother of all Freudian slips, and he put it in writing. Donald Trump has insurrection on his mind. So when he childishly tries to post about how, Biden should be charged under the Espionage Act. He is so concerned and consumed regarding his own criminal culpability for January 6th that he slips up and he says, Insurrection Act. Consciousness of guilt much, Donald? Well, friends, we'll be watching that federal courtroom down in Florida on Tuesday. We'll be watching Judge Aileen Canon. Let's hope she passes the second test. Let's hope she redeems herself. Let's hope she sets a timely trial date. Because justice matters. And friends, as always, thank you for tuning in to these daily Justice Matters videos. As you may know, we are an all-volunteer operation here at Justice Matters. We're up and running 7 days a week, posting a legal analysis video every day, and we couldn't do it without your support. So if you're interested in supporting our all-volunteer efforts, our mission, our content, please feel free to come on over to patreon.com. You can sign up to become a patron, and if you do, I will send you some Team Justice and Justice Matters stickers, and I'll send you a personal handwritten note of thanks. And thank you to the many of you who have come over to Patreon and are supporting our efforts. We couldn't do it without you. So friends, as always, please stay safe, please stay tuned, and I look forward to talking with you all again tomorrow.